Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to show you a working Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android devices. This spoofer works perfectly on the latest iOS version and the latest Pokemon Go update. It's the best Pokemon Go hack so far, with awesome features like teleport, joystick, and many more. Let me open up the game and show you. As you can see, we have the joystick that lets us move around the map easily. On the left, there's a whole menu filled with crazy features, including teleport, speed adjustments, and much more. With this, you can easily catch the best Pokemon and totally rock the game. If you want to get it on your device, keep watching this video. The whole process is really simple and straightforward. Just follow all the steps, and you'll be good to go. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started with the tutorial. Before we begin the installation, we need to change some settings. These settings apply only to iOS devices, so if you're on Android, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. There's actually just one setting you need to change, the battery saver. You can find it in your settings and it's called low power mode. We need to have this disabled because it can slow down our device, so go ahead and turn off low power mode. Once you've done that, we can move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Pokemon Go and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. Once you complete it, you will have the spoofer on your device. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.